Okay, we are correcting Unit 7, Lesson 17 practice problems. I usually do it on my iPad, but I decided to just print it out and do it this way. It's a little bit easier. So, number 1A says a green light blinks every 4 seconds and a yellow light blinks every 5 seconds. When will both lights blink at the same time? So, we are doing multiples of 4 and 5, and they blink every 20 seconds. So, because they are both multiples, 20 is a multiple of 4 and 5. So they would blink at 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and continue on like that. 1B says a red light blinks every 12 seconds and a blue light blinks every 9 seconds. When will both lights blink at the same time? So we're looking at the multiples of 12 and 9. And the least common multiple is 36, so they will blink every 36 seconds. So 36, 72, 108, etc. So how do we determine when two lights will blink together? So every common multiple that they would blink together. 2A says list all the multiples of 10, so I did that. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. List all the multiples of 15 to 100, 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90. And what is the least common multiple is 30. Number 3, cups and napkins. So cups are sold in packages of 8, napkins are sold in packages of 12. What is the fewest number of packages of cups and the fewest number of packages of napkins that can be purchased? So there'll be the same number of cups as napkins. So if we list the multiples, 3 packages of cups would be 24, and napkins, 2 packages of napkins would be 24. So how many sets of cups and napkins, meaning 1 cup and 1 napkin, you would have 24 sets. All right, number 4, I tried to draw a few different times. It says the rectangle A, B, C, and D is drawn on a coordinate plane such that A is negative 6, so I did over here, negative 6 and 9. Let's come over here and try to zoom in a little bit. So if A is negative 6, positive 9, and B is a positive 5 and a positive 9, sorry, negative 6, positive 9, positive 5, positive 9, they'd be here. So if we're trying to draw a rectangle, then where could our coordinates be? So this is one answer that it could be. I went over negative 6 and down 9, because that was up 9. And then I went positive 5 and down negative 9. So C would be negative 6, negative 9, and D would be 5, negative 9. There are other answers. You could have gone further up. So you could have gone like negative 6, positive 18, and gone that way. Positive 5, positive 18. You could do it that way. All right, let's move on to number 5. A school wants to raise $2,500 to support its music program. If it has met 20% of its goal so far, how much money has it raised? So if we're going to take that percent sign off, we move the decimal 2 places to the left, we multiply 2,500 by 0.2, and we get $500. So that's how much they've raised so far. If it raises 175% of its goal, how much money will the program receive? So I did this one 2 different ways. You could say 2,500 is 100%, and then you could try to find 75%, which is 1,875, and I added those 2 together. Or you could just multiply 2,500 by 1.75, and you get the same number, $4,375. All right, that's the end of the practice problems for lesson 17. Only one more to go, guys. We're almost there.